2020 Vision is ACE's 7-year retail growth strategy, and we're halfway through our journey. We want to be the best, most helpful hardware stores on the planet, and this year's areas of operational focus will help get us there. Our domestic revenue, or sales goal, for the year will be $4.6 billion. That's an increase of 4.9% over 2015. The goal for domestic net income, or ACE's net profit, will be $159 million. In addition, we want to provide world-class support to help our retailers grow. The target for same-store sales is 3%, and we want to increase transactions in our stores by more than 1%. These are some big goals to achieve, but we have the power of the 2020 Vision growth engines to fuel our efforts. How will we get there? First, there's new business, where the goal is to open 150 new stores while closing fewer than 100. This will be our 5th year in a row of net store count increases. We also have the 4 levies of 2020 Vision to improve the store model. The first levy is invest in the brand. We will continue to expand the moat between ACE and the competition by investing in the ACE brand. One way this will be done is through national advertising. When we launched 2020 Vision, we committed to double our spend on national media from $30 million to $60 million by 2020. We will surpass $60 million in 2016, which is 4 years ahead of plan. Promotional efforts will be more efficient and effective as we go deeper versus wider. The goal here is more sales, higher margin, and less overstock. We'll unleash the power of ACE Rewards by encouraging retailers to reallocate their advertising funds and by leveraging data and analytics to drive consumer behavior through relevant and personalized communication. We'll also use advertising and promotions to increase awareness of our unmatched selection of primo brands such as Craftsman and Weber. We have big plans ahead for acehardware.com, which will be redesigned to make ACE stores increasingly relevant to their customers in today's digital retail environment. Moving on to levy number 2, fulfill the promise. You've heard the phrase, helpful is our weapon in the world, and we will remain focused on fulfilling the helpful promise. ACE retailers will continue delivering world-class service on our way to winning our 10th consecutive J.D. Power Award for customer satisfaction. We will use new training tools to help retailers and associates become experts on our products even faster, and training will be reduced from hours to minutes with new microlearning courses. And retailers will have access to tools to help them manage associates' work schedules more effectively, so stores have the right people at the right time to exceed their customers' needs. Next up is levy number 3, enrich the assortment. We'll continue to enrich the assortment with local, high-quality, differentiated, and consumer-relevant products that will keep customers coming back to ACE. The Level 3 cleaning and power tools accessories and hand tools programs will help ACE increase market share. And the new Power Aisle and End Cap Level 3 programs will create turnkey solutions that simplify the merchandising process and increase sales. LED bulbs will continue to be important, both for customers' homes and for local businesses, while farm and rural represents a great opportunity to tap into the growing hobby farming market. We will also continue to add to our stable of exclusive brands such as Craftsman, Clark & Kensington, Toro, and Yeti. These assortment enhancements will lead to increased gross profit dollars and higher gross margin rates for our retailers. Switching gears to levy number 4, be the supply place. Local businesses are neighbors too, and being their supply place will continue to be a key growth engine for all ACE stores. We will have a laser-like focus on growing LED for business. Retailers will be encouraged to retrofit their stores with LED bulbs so they can use their store and their savings to showcase the project to other businesses. We will then expand B2B relationships and focus on becoming their ongoing source for everything they need to take care of their small business, from stocking their supply closets to helping them fix, repair, and maintain their facilities. In addition to the 4 levies, store renovations are also important. Store renovations are critical to keeping ACE stores inviting and profitable. The plan for 2016 includes 200 projects with a focus on data-driven improvements to drive sales and enhancements to stores purchased by ACE owners from ACE owners. To support all these initiatives, ACE needs to be the best wholesaler in the world. This means delivering products at the lowest cost, providing the best assortment, and giving retailers the best service and support. Keeping employees safe is our #1 priority at the RSCs, and the goal is to have fewer than 2 injuries per 100 employees during the year. With 95% of injuries coming from unsafe behaviors, supervisors will use behavioral-based safety observation techniques to make sure employees are taking the necessary precautions. Our target for service levels will be 96.8%. In order to achieve this goal, sales and operational planning will be critical to forecast demand. And to drive efficiency and productivity, our goal for the retail support centers is to turn inventory 5.2 times in 2016. After products arrive in the warehouse and make their journey to the stores, we want retailers to receive their deliveries on time more than 95% of the time. But we can't make on-time deliveries without drivers, and with the current nationwide driver shortage, ACE will be focused on recruiting and retaining these employees who not only deliver product, but interact with our retailers on a regular basis. Along the same lines, managing our RSC staffing levels and ensuring strong team member engagement will be key. Great people drive our business, and we have and want more of the best. With more product moving through our warehouses and across the country, ACE will maximize the capacity of the RSC network through efforts such as the expansion of the Wilton RSC and the optimization of space in the existing RSCs by more than 20% through tools and technology like Slot 3D. In addition, retail support is optimizing existing technologies and evaluating tools that can help us help retailers through the continuous improvement of quality, service, and productivity. All these factors contribute to our expense to sales goal of less than 4.51%. This is the cost of running the RSCs compared to the sales in those same RSCs, and it's a significant contributor to the company's strong need to operate efficiently and inexpensively. The more efficiently we operate the business, the more profit we have to distribute to shareholders via the dividend and to employees via the profit-sharing program. Few things are more important to our retailers than low cost on the merchandise they purchase. ACE will continue to bring down the cost of goods sold to our retailers. Our desire is to be at least 5% lower on cost than our wholesale competitors. And more than 70 line reviews will take place during the year to make sure that we're offering retailers the best product assortment possible, and vendors will be expected to deliver their products to our RSCs on time 98% of the time with a fill rate of 98%. The concept of retailer simplification will be the backbone of everything that we do in 2016. We want to make things easier and faster for our retailers so they can spend more time on the sales floor serving customers and less time in the back office fighting bureaucracy. AceNet Direct, HR Management, and a number of other projects are underway with the goal of eliminating 1 million hours from the time our retailers spend completing non-sales driving tasks. That's a goal of almost 5 hours per store per week, and it's a big deal to our owners. As you can see, we have an exciting, busy, and challenging year ahead. Ultimately, what we do will be measured in dollars on the income statement, but how we do that is just as important. Our values should always permeate every last thing we do. Winning, excellence, love, integrity, gratitude, humility, and teamwork. We light. Let's have a great 2016.